Hi, this is Rachel at the Crystal Tree, and today I'm going to be talking about foam and foam kit that I just recently picked up at the dollar store. You can also find foam kits at like Michael's or Joann Fabrics. You can probably even pick them up online. I'm actually going to be doing a Halloween themed one, you can see here, and it was actually a pumpkin, and they do come pre-put together, pre-cut, so you can actually just pop them out and put them together. I changed the face a little bit on this pumpkin, but I do actually plan to draw my own faces on my ghosts and on my pumpkins. And I like that the pumpkins are a little bit smaller than the ghosts because I'm actually going to turn this into a banner and use twine, or I could actually use ribbon to string it all together and hang it up. Which is nice is that these come in a kit. You get 12 ghosts and for $1, that's not bad. And then you get 6 pumpkins, and they all come with little faces and stuff. One thing I noticed that the ghosts didn't come with faces, so I'm just going to draw them on with the pen, and then I'm going to also use acrylic paint. I use Apple Barrel, but I also use Martha Stewart. I try to see if I can find acrylic paint that is non-toxic, and those two brands I just showed you are a good brand to use, especially if you're doing something for children. It might get near their mouths. I do some kids' toys, and I paint on felt, and that can end up in a child's mouth, and so I would try to find paint that's non-toxic. And I'm going to just show you some of the faces that I've already started working on. I'm going to come back in with a very fine paintbrush, as you can see here how small that is in my hand here, and go in. I'm going to put the black in where the yellow is actually at, so you can actually see the pen that I originally used to draw the faces. These aren't quite done yet. Here's another I felt good face that I did. But I just wanted to share this quick tutorial because it's a fun thing you can do with children, but also something for yourself. It's a fast, easy, cheap way to decorate for Halloween if you want to hang something up outside your house. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.